Okay, so let's imagine if everything you learn online, every article, video, idea, screenshot, or a random link, could automatically organize itself into a personal knowledge universe. Something that doesn't just store information, it understands it and builds upon the ideas. That's what I built. The Spaces. Spaces is an AI powered knowledge universe that brings together a powerful browser extension and a web app to help you capture, organize, and actually think with the information. The vision is simple: create a second brain that turns scattered digital inputs into structured, searchable, and interactive memory spaces with AI as a connective tissue. With Spaces, you can capture anything effortlessly, be it text, link, full pages, YouTube videos with transcripts, even text from images with OCS. Just right click, save, and you are done. So, like if you want to build a new project and you search online for it and you want to save this text, first you can create a new space for that. Like I create a new space where I would say I want to create a new project, new bit, new project. You just save it and a space is being created like that. And then you can just select the text, whatever you want to select, and right click it and save it to the page. And this is how the data can be saved to it extension. And likely that only if you want to go and like see your Reddit website and you just want to right click it and save the exact complete page into the project space, that can also be done. And like that only we can then go to our main website. This is the website and this is the project that we created, this is the space that we created, and here is the data saved. And we can just go to the AI chat and say summarize the content, and it would tell it has synchronized all the content that was saved in this space and then provided a response depending on that. We can do a web search in which like I want to work upon building it would do a web search plus the memory that is active and would avoid doing hallucinations, that would provide much more appropriate response, helping us building something that can be built without any issues. And we can even use a multi-space agent where like I have this mind jogging in which there have been some contents been saved depending of some different ideas that can be created on. And now these two spaces agents would interact with each other and would provide a curated response in which they what they communicate afterwards, and they think that this is the thing that should be built, and these are their insight based on their own research. Right. What to do. So both the agents are now communicating with each other and then they will provide a curated response. Model is overloaded. The API key is free, so we can expect sometimes these things happening. Let's try again. So I give it the same prompt again, and now it provided like a new project knowledge agent and what it shared, and agent to provided crucial content identifying user specific thematic interest in AI and knowledge management. And depending on that, it kept on going until they created that. So what's the final plan to work on? So, the final plan that the AI suggests is to work upon involving developing AI powered solutions, specifically leveraging modern AI capabilities to address a complex real world problem or enhance personal productivity. Strong candidate could be personal AI knowledge hub that would be using Gemini Pro 3. Like, I, I was doing search on how to create this while building this, so that's why it's showing only data related to this. So this is how it can be done, and these are the cards. You can just open it. This would show the data of what you have stored, and this would you can even leave a note like New project, build knowledge, storing, AI, file, brain to enhance productivity. Okay, so this would now get saved. Uh, it saves. I clicked multiple times because of which it got created more. And you can also save the history. Like you can go into any of this history, and this is how, and you can ask it to summarize so that the model doesn't have to again and again access to the complete data. It would just create a summary of it and save into the data, and when you again start a new chat, you can just say summarize the contents, and it will summarize all the past conversations through what it is by taking the most important things in the summarizing thing model and providing the response. And this is what is summarized like this. So this is the basic thing that I wanted to build and would be obliged if it gets fit. Thank you.